YouTube. Today's hair wash day, and fortunately for me, my steamer came today. I got the Solarus steamer, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. And this is how it comes. This black piece does not come on here. I actually just put this on there, and you'll find that when you get it, there'll be like a little screw attached. So you're just going to take it off. So what you want to do, you want to get your pieces, this foot here, and you want to get this foot here, and you want to, because this is going to be the base. Yeah, and it's not that easy. Okay. Next, you want to take this piece here, and this goes here. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this is the second time I've tried to put this piece together, and I found the easiest way to do this is just to put some pressure . Now, you will need some pliers for this because it doesn't come with pliers, and what I'm doing, let me turn this around for you. I'm screwing this down. I'm going to hand tighten this down, and then I'm going to take my pliers, push pressure, and I'm going to tighten it. Am I getting it? So that means I'm going to have to push it some more. There we go. Okay. So next, you want to take this piece here, and this is actually the spring. This goes up and down, and that's how you'll adjust it. So you want to put this piece in here. You want to put this piece down here, and you want to tighten that up. Okay, so from there we're going to move up. And we're going to take the actual hooded part, and we're just going to put it, let me see, make sure that's steady. There we go. I'm going to have to tighten up that base a little bit more. I'll just lower it for now. I can tighten it. Okay, so from there you want to get your little cut piece, and this is where the steam is going to drain out. And if you look right here on this tubing, you want to put the cup there. And tighten that up. So from here, okay, so you want to get this cap here. Stand there and hold this until I tighten it up. Okay. So you want to unscrew this, and then you're going to put your water in there. Going to tighten it up. And then that's going to go here. So you're going to take your water, and you're going to just put it in there. Now what you want to do when you get ready to turn it on, you want to set your timer. This is your timer here. This is knob 1 and knob 2. So you want to turn on knob 1 and knob 2. And after it gets high, if you find that it is too high, you want to turn it to off, which is to low, and you want to keep this one on. So this is high and this is low. And that's it. So the Solarus steamer. Now I'm going to be doing my hair, and I'm going to do a video later on the whole process. So if you decide to get the steamer, then that's how you put it together. I'm just going to tighten up the base, and then that's it. Thank you.